Hello Barkas. Today we are performing glowing balloon experiment without using our energy. For that experiment we required the balloons and the aluminium foil and the sodium hydroxide and a beaker. For that experiment we required 2 tablespoons of sodium hydroxide. We have to add it in a beaker. Now pour the water till 200 ml in a beaker. The aluminium foil in that.
Now we can see a chemical reaction. This reaction is the creation of hydrogen gas. The hydrogen being a light gas start moving upwards where it can be gathered within the balloon. We are filling this glass with water. Okay? Now see carefully. Then we are adding a nail paint. Move back. Girls, move back, girls. Slide the matchstick hold above the water surface. What happened? Hey, nail polish catches the fire. Why? Ma'am, nail polish because nail polish contains thinner. Thinner is flammable, which means it can catch fire easily. So we need to be careful and keep the nail polish away from heat or flame. Okay, girls?
Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to do the experiment on salt water density. Okay. For this experiment we need 2 glasses and we'll add water in this 2 glasses. After this, we will add salt in 1 glass. Okay. Now, add some ink in the water. And in this salty water also, we need to add some ink. Now boys, you can see the ink floats on water. Yes. Why does it float on water? Because of salt. Okay? Yes. How it happens? Why does it float? Because the objects which are dense. Okay, with the objects. So here the ink floats on water because the objects which are denser than water will sink. Okay, which are denser than water will sink, and the objects which are less dense, it will float on the water. Okay, so you can see what is above here. What is floating above? Ink. Water. Okay, you can see ink is down and water is up. And here in the salty water, yes, water is down. Okay, and the ink is floating.
When a person speaks into the cup, their voice creates sound waves. The vibration in the waves carry the sound wave from one cup to another cup. My school name is Kamal High School. My school name is Kamal High School. She is my best friend. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday.
Good morning. Today we are going to activity of sink and float. You know what's the meaning of sink? What is the meaning of sink? Go down and settle on it. Water. And what is the meaning of float? Flowing on water. So we will do this experiment with egg. We'll see how the egg will sink in plain water and float on salt water. Okay. So for this first we are taking the plain water. It is a plain water. So now see, I am putting this egg in water. See what will happen here now. What is happening? The egg is sinking. Sink or float? Sink. It is the meaning sink. Now what happens if I add some salt in this water? After adding some salt, we have to stir it. Now I will take out this same egg from this plain water and I will put it in. What I add in this? Salt. What I add in this water? Salt. Now I am putting this again in salt water. So now what you are seeing? Floating. What is the egg? What happened to the egg here now? Floating on water. So this means floating means flowing on water. And now I will take out the same egg and I will put again in plain water. So what is happening here?